Living in a bustling Coppell neighborhood has its advantages: convenience, accessibility, and a vibrant community. However, one of the downsides is the constant street noise that seeps into your home. Whether it's traffic, construction, or everyday hustle and bustle, unwanted noise can disturb your comfort, rest, and overall peace of mind. The good news? Installing new, high-quality windows can make a significant difference in soundproofing your home. Why street noise is a growing concern in Coppell? As Coppell continues to grow, so does the volume of traffic and neighborhood activity. Homes near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas are especially vulnerable to elevated noise levels. Over time, constant noise can lead to poor sleep, increased stress, and reduced productivity for homeowners. While many homeowners try temporary fixes like curtains or weather stripping, new window technology provides a much more effective long-term solution. How modern windows block unwanted noise? The key to reducing noise lies in the design and materials of your windows. Here's how upgrading can help. Double and triple pane glass. Unlike older single-pane windows, modern options include multiple layers of glass with insulating gas fills. These create barriers that dampen sound vibrations, significantly reducing outside noise. Laminated glass. This special glass includes a plastic layer between panes that not only boosts safety but also absorbs sound waves. Tight seals and frames. New windows come with improved seals and frames that prevent noise from sneaking in through gaps and cracks. Specialized soundproof windows. Some windows are specifically designed with enhanced acoustic insulation, ideal for homes in particularly noisy areas. Benefits beyond noise reduction. While reducing street noise is a top priority for many Coppell homeowners, new windows come with additional advantages. Energy efficiency. Multi-pane windows with insulating gas also help regulate indoor temperatures, lowering heating and cooling costs. Increased home value. Potential buyers appreciate quieter, energy-efficient homes, making window replacement a strong investment. Better comfort. With reduced drafts and noise, you'll enjoy a more peaceful and consistent indoor environment. Improved sleep and well-being. Quieter nights lead to better rest, which impacts overall health and quality of life. Choosing the right windows for noise reduction in Coppell. When selecting new windows, consider the following. Location of your home. If you're near a major road or intersection, triple pane or laminated glass windows may be best. Window frame material. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames often provide tighter seals than older wood frames. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures airtight seals and long-lasting performance. Why professional installation matters? Coppell homeowners should avoid DIY approaches when it comes to noise-reducing windows. Improper installation can leave gaps, allowing both sound and air leaks. Professional installers not only fit your windows perfectly but also advise you on the best window styles and materials for your neighborhood's noise challenges. Conclusion. Street noise is an inevitable part of living in a busy Coppell neighborhood, but it doesn't have to intrude on your peace at home. By upgrading to modern, high-quality windows, you can significantly reduce noise, enjoy greater comfort, and even lower your utility bills. New windows aren't just an investment in your property, they're an investment in your quality of life. If you're tired of the constant sound of traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity, now is the perfect time to explore noise-reducing window replacement options for your Coppell home. With the right choice, you'll transform your living space into a quieter, more restful sanctuary.